Last one to the splash zone is a soggy pickle.
Oh, what? Yikes. Wow. Beach balls are everywhere. Can you help us count 5 beach balls?
Kids, count out loud.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's right. There are 5 red balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now let's jump 5 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now spin around with us. Come on, Husky. Run, run, run. Kids, can you run in place really fast, like me?
Hey, everybody! Are you ready to splash? Jump, dance, and freeze! Zippy zooming super fast, splashing water as he dashes past. Husky jumps with a giant splash. Oops, he almost did a belly crash. Wave your popsicle in the air, spin around like you just don't care. Jump up high, now touch the sky. Everybody wiggle side to side. Dance, dance, dance real fast. Move your feet and make a splash. Dance, dance, don't stop now. Freeze, freeze dance. Popsicle freeze dance. Hold real still, don't wiggle around. Freeze dance. Popsicle freeze dance. Balance on one foot, don't fall down. Freeze! You moved! Zippy hops on one tiny toe. Husky tries, but he's moving slow. Shake your shoulders, clap, clap, clap. Now pretend